Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the application on the phone. Before we start, if you want to use the application on the phone to factory reset your watch, you will need to pair your watch with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. So, let's open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, select your Huawei Watch 4 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it. Tap on the option, we have a couple options. We can tap on full reset. So if you want to reset everything, you can also select reset but save eSIM info. So if you have eSIM set up on your watch, you can basically keep that info and data from the eSIM on your watch without removing it, and you can reset the watch to the factory default settings. I'm gonna perform the full reset, but you can select the option you like. And once you select the option, it will start the resetting process on your watch. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.